Okay, guys, so how do you buy a coin? So let's pretend that we are searching Ethereum. So you look for it, then you click on it. You're going to click on buy, and then you put the amount here. So the minimum is $50. So you type the amount. So let's say $50, and then you click on deposit. You click it two times, and then after you click it two times, if you go to your portfolio, you will see it there. Now, say that you want to sell it, say you want to cash out, click on your portfolio. You want to go inside of it. So let's pretend I'm going to go inside of this one, and you click on this one. And as I said, your equity will go to your available wallet. Okay, so let me speak about your portfolio now. So if you click on your username here, you will actually see your historical data. So you'll actually see my historical data here. And this is the post that I was speaking about when I panicked. So you can see it was 18 days ago. So it goes to show how, uh, with time, within a matter of 18 days, things just changed. I just panicked. So you'll see that at that time, Ethereum was performing pretty bad. So I actually sold my Ethereum and I sold some of my XML. So what had happened was that the market was performing bad at that time. So I sold about uh I had made two purchases, one for $600 and one for 165. So the trade for $600, I ended up selling it, and from the amount that I got from that $600 is where I got the 480 that I used as an investment, because I just cashed out basically. And here's the 480. You might be wondering, why did I do that? The reason why was because I basically I repurchased it for a second time at this price. So I had purchased it at about 2,650, and then the next day the price just dipped. So I kind of panicked, and that's why I ended up selling my $600 Ethereum. And from that purchase, I lost about $120. So I repurchased 480, as you can see here, at this price, and I just sat on it, and you can see that it was the right decision at the time. Even though I lost $120 at that time, you can see that because I made that purchase at that time without hesitation, 480, I made $300. You see that? So it goes to show how sometimes your own fears can hold you back from making money. It's just about, looking at the data and letting the data speak for itself. So it just goes to show how sometimes when you're investing, it's just about, having faith and using the data to guide you and not necessarily go off, what's in your gut. You have to, keep up with what's going on, just so you make the right decisions of, when to invest and when to cash out. So here on my stats, you will see that this is how I performed for April. I joined April 1st, so I will show you when I joined. These are actually my numbers, just so you can see when I joined April 1st. You can see my Ethereum has been 71% profitable, my XML 33% profitable, my XTZ 100% profitable. So I typically hold my eCurrencies for 1.5 week apparently. I don't really care about this stuff. I just want to make sure that it's performing well. Your history doesn't matter. It's just about the decisions that you make depending on how things are doing at that particular time. So you can see that my overall, I've made a 25% growth, but this is where I'm at for May at the moment. And the reason why April is lower is because I panicked, like I mentioned. So I took a loss, but I still made a profit, as you can see. So 8.84 is much better than what you would get, saving money at your bank account. So here we are. So you can actually see the historical data based off the views. And I'll show you that later on. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one for now. Hopefully this makes sense. And, this is basically how you see your overall performance.